Did you know that 75% of businesses fail within the first 10 years? It's a tough statistic to swallow, but here's the question. How do some entrepreneurs not just survive but thrive, scaling their businesses without burning out? Today, I'm here to inspire you with the power of success stories. Stories of women just like us who turn their dreams into reality by building dream teams. So keep on watching. Client number one. So she came to us with several people on her leadership team whose roles often conflicted and caused frustration and company friction. Her goal was to create more autonomy and revenue for the leadership team. So here are some of the results. First of all, they became able to document the enmeshment and overlap between the department leads. They became able to identify who would own which pillars in a way that made sense for their company and allow them to focus on each highest return on investment activities. They became able to create a launch calculator that increased their ability to get to their revenue goals faster and more efficiently. They moved into an extremely clear communication system to make money with less effort while prioritizing what needed to happen in their lives. So good. Let's talk about client number two. She's a profitable visionary that came to us with very fractional support of a part-time strategist and zero mobilizers or integrators to help actually carry out their projects. Her goal was to break into seven figures and develop her intellectual property to become that go-to person in her industry. So here are her results after working with us. The CEO was able to completely get out of the day-to-day crap. That's awesome. She hired her first full-time mobilizer. She standardized her launch cycle so that it wasn't chaotic. She became able to run new types of campaigns and have more space to actually be creative. She established annual live events and successfully used those events to take them past the seven-figure mark. She was also able to plan ahead for a full year. What a concept, including financial projections. She was able to stand up an evergreen lead generation system to continuously bring in new leads. And all of this was a lean 4-person team in only 1 year. Let's talk about client number three. She's a CEO that had been selling her time for money and had a very part-time team. Her goal was to create stability in her business and space to be able to enjoy her personal life. Here are some of her results. She was able to enroll clients into a group program run mostly by her team. She stood up a live event funnel to close clients into their programs. She freed up her time to be able to see a far bigger impact of collaborative change that was beyond her individual contribution to the industry. This allowed her to create space for her to focus on what she had been ignoring in her business, marketing. She was able to identify her bigger picture, realign her company to actually support her in that, and then actualize that vision. Are you inspired by these stories? Well, building your dream team, your unicorn team, can be the game changer that propels you to unimaginable heights. Surround yourself with people like I just mentioned who share your vision, delegate, collaborate, and find that elusive work-life harmony. Your dream team is your secret weapon to scale without burning out. So what about let's make those dreams a reality? I believe in you, and so do these incredible women entrepreneurs. Let's go out there and scale our businesses together. And that's a wrap on today's video. Remember, this YouTube channel is all about helping entrepreneurs and CEOs understand how to easily transform their team into a unicorn team. If you want to better understand the overarching idea of building a unicorn team yourself, check out this video here. And if you found value in this content, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button below so we can get this video in front of more CEOs like us who need help growing our unicorn teams. Be sure to also hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you're notified when new content is released. I'm Jen Kem, here to help you get the right messaging and team support to build the wealth, power, and leadership you are meant to bring to the world. Until next time.